welcome back to my channel. In today's video I would be announcing the winners of the giveaway, and I also have another announcement which I'm gonna talk about after I finish the announcement of the giveaway. So for now, let's focus on the results of the giveaway. So speaking of the giveaway, I have been put in such a tight spot because I really cannot choose one amongst you guys, because all of y'all were so supportive and so reciprocative, and y'all were so active on my channel and y'all responded so well to my content. Many of y'all followed me on Instagram, commented on my videos, shared my videos. So it's really difficult for me to pick a winner now, and I really don't have the heart to pick a winner myself. So I'm gonna be making chits on all of your names who have been active on my channel. I'm gonna take the top 10 people, top 5 or top 10 people who have been active on my channel that I've got notifications about on my YouTube studio. So I'm gonna be making chits on that, and then I would be picking out 2 chits, and those 2 people would be winners. So let's not waste any more time and let's get to making the chits. So guys, I am done making the chits. Now I'm gonna be putting all of the chits in this hat, and I'm gonna be blindfolding myself. So here are all the 9 chits which I'm gonna be putting over here and shaking them all up. And now I'm gonna be blindfolding myself. I'm just gonna go get my blindfold. I'm gonna blindfold myself. Okay, let's see what the result is. I'm gonna pick this up. So the first one is Ria. So congratulations, Ria. And yeah, I think there are 2 Rias. This one is Ria Shah. So congratulations. And now let's pick up the second chip. Second one is Nia Kothari. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. So yeah, it's Nia Kothari and Ria Shah. So yeah, congratulations to both the winners. So both of these winners won products from Body Shop worth rupees 2,500, and I am known for gifting, guys. I really hope you like these luxury products. Those who didn't win the giveaway today, there's a surprise for y'all. Any guesses what the surprise is? Did I hear another giveaway? Yes, you guys got it right. I am gonna be having a giveaway every month from now on for at least a few months, and then I would be doing a weekly giveaway. I would be announcing one winner every month, and yeah, you can win free goodies. I'm just waiting for a confirmatory email, and once that's done, I'll make it official. I'm 99% sure about this, but I'm just gonna make it official in another video. So all the best for the next giveaway, and all you have to do is stay active as you have been, and maybe you would win the next giveaway. So let's hope for the best. Also in today's video, I would be giving a shout out to one person, and that is Vanshika Bharadwaj. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. So it's a birthday tomorrow. A very happy birthday to you. I hope this year brings a lot of love, luck and happiness in your life. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I was so nervous before starting, but it's finally over. And don't forget to like, share, comment, comment as much as you want, guys, because I read every message of yours and I reply to every message. If I am running out of time, I at least reply with an emoji. So yeah, share this video as much as you can, and to be a part of this community, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon and be a part of this fam. I'll see you all super soon with another one. Until then, bye.